Okay, follow Daddy. I think there's more.
There's more eggs.
Come on.
Kellen.
Come get the eggs.
I gotta see what's in the eggs now. Anybody?
Oh, what about your basket?
You rip me off. Wow, look at all them eggs. Get those eggs.
One busy bunny.
Come on.
Where's your basket?
Grandpa, go get her basket. Come on down. Get the eggs. Kellen. Kellen.
Come on. Baby.
Here's your basket.
Yeah.
Thank you, Grandpa.
Here you go.